are 4 seasons in the year. Each season brings different weather: summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Each one is special in its own way. What is the weather like today? Can you tell me what you see? Is it sunny, cloudy, windy, or rainy? Please come and talk with me. What is the weather like today? Can you tell me, please? Is it warm or is it cold? What is the temperature today? Summer is the hottest season. The days are long and bright. Sometimes it is boiling hot. The sun shines brightly in the sky. People go to the beach in summer. They swim and play outside. They wear hats and drink plenty of water. They stay safe in the sun. Autumn brings cooler weather. The leaves change color and fall. Some days are sunny and pleasant. Some days are cloudy and cool. People enjoy walking outside. The air feels fresh and clean. Autumn is a beautiful season. It is one of my favorite seasons. Winter is the coldest season. The days are short and gray. Sometimes it is freezing cold. Warm clothes help us stay warm. Some days are wet and rainy. Strong winds may blow outside. People stay warm in their houses. They spend more time inside. Spring is a lovely season. Flowers bloom in many colors. The weather becomes warmer. The days become longer too. Birds sing in the morning. The parks look fresh and green. Many people enjoy springtime. It is a beautiful season. In Perth it may be rainy. In Brisbane it may be sunny. In Melbourne it may be windy. Australian weather can change quickly. Darwin is often hot and humid. Hobart is often cool and mild. Different places have different weather. Australia is a very large country. A warm sunny day is a good day for footy. People play with family and friends. They run, kick, and have fun together. The game continues until it ends. A stormy day is not a good day for footy. Heavy rain can make the ground wet. People often stay indoors during a storm. Then they can play when the weather improves. What is the weather like today? Can you tell me what you see? Is it sunny, cloudy, windy, or rainy? Please come and talk with me. What is the weather like today? Can you tell me, please? Is it warm or is it cold? What is the temperature today? Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. The seasons come and go. Sometimes it is boiling hot. Sometimes it is freezing cold. Weather changes every day. There is always something new. Look outside and tell your friends what the weather is like today.